Pahalgam terror attack, India has taken a big and bold decision by putting in abeyance the Indus Water Treaty. This particular step is not just a big or bold decision, but is also a strong message to Pakistan that if required, India can also use water as a weapon, and that is now what India is doing. But how all it started? Let me take you to the year 1948 when India and Pakistan, both of them clashed over river water. At that particular point of time, India stopped the water flow to Pakistan, because of which Pakistan was completely rattled. Cut to 1960, where with the help of World Bank, the Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan. And under this particular Indus Water Treaty, let me tell our viewers that the Western River water was with Pakistan and the Eastern Water River was supposed to come to India. Then India, under this treaty, was also allowed to build the projects like Salal Hydroelectric Project, from where we are reporting right now. This particular project, the Salal Hydroelectric Project, is in the district of Riyasi, located in Jammu. We'll show you the visuals and one by one highlight the fact about the Indus Water Treaty and how this tactical move of India will be helping India further. This particular, in fact, the crucial part is that the water is still flowing, but the pressure is now on Pakistan. India can now accelerate its dam projects, adjust the flow and create disruption for Pakistan without breaking the treaty. Now, because the key control, is the control. India can tweak the flow, making it harder for Pakistan to rely on these rivers, because remember that Pakistan's agriculture and economy depend heavily on these rivers. Now in the visuals, Amit ji, you can show that how the water is flowing from these particular, hydroelectrical project, that is a Salal hydroelectric project, and the water is flowing from that one particular gate. Now, as of now, we do not have that infrastructure that this entire water could be stopped. But now India is in a position that at any point of time, India can start the infrastructure, India can build the dam over here to stop the water. So remember that if the water is stopped over there at this particular point, then the water flow which is coming to this particular part from where we are reporting right now, it will completely be stopped, because remember that this particular river, which you are watching on your television screen, that is the Chenab River. This particular river, under the Indus Water Treaty, this particular water flows to Pakistan, because as I was mentioning that in the Indus Water Treaty, the Western River flows to the Pakistan and the Eastern rivers are with India. So that's why this Chenab River, that will be flowing towards the Pakistan. That is why, in fact, if this particular flow of the river is stopped over here at this junction, then it will definitely create problems for Pakistan, because Pakistan's agriculture and economy heavily depends on these rivers, and any small change in the flow, even small adjustment, could cause massive problems for Pakistan's farming and in fact water supply as well. So that is why this is a strong message from Indian side to Pakistan that if they support terrorism, that no matter what, India will be attacking them 360-degree on the military front, on the diplomatic front, on the global stage as well, and by using water as a weapon.